Hey, welcome folks. Today we have some fishes along with the small little chef with Abdul Rahman. So we have some different type of fishes. Today we are going to cook them and let's enjoy.
Today we have different kind of fishes: Elish fish, curry fish, red belly piranha, and Himalayan silver prawn.
Let me clean the fishes and I will tell you how to wash the fish. So first we're gonna cut this red belly piranha. First we have to cut the extra fins which is like outside. So just press with this sharp knife like this and the sphinx is out from this side. This make sure you have to clean the all the cell. So that's we open the stomach from the down. So like this. Open like this. We have to take out this all dirt from inside of the stomach.
What is this one?
So now we have to cut this trout fish. It's a freshwater fish. So we cutted our fish. This is curry, and it's a red belly piranha. It's our Ilish fish. It's our Himalayan trout. We're gonna roast the full trout. So now we have to wash our all the fishes. So for the smaller fishes, we have to wash with the three ingredient. It's a flour, pansata, and it's your salt, and this one is a mustard oil. So we have to follow the process. First we have to wash with the salt. After that we wash with the flour, and the last one we will wash with the mustard oil. And after this all process, we have to wash with the normal water as well. Okay, so let's wash together. So we wash our trout fish. It's ready. So there is no smell. So it's good. It's ready to cook.
Now first we add mustard oil and onion and chili. Now we put khada garam masala. Once is onion brown, we put some ginger garlic paste. Now we add some turmeric.
Now we have to add the tomato and green chili paste, and after that we have to mix properly with our onion and ginger garlic paste.
Now we put red chili.
Now we'll add some coriander powder. Now we have to add some salt as per your taste.
Now we add some water and mix.
Now we have to fry this until oil will come out.
The gravy is ready. We'll add the fishes like that.
Now we are adding some water. It's help to cook properly. So now we have to make a marination paste along with the green chili, lemon, and zira, cardamom, black pepper, long, and javitri, the main ingredients. So let's grind together.
Happy feast.
Now we have to melt some butter. And you can see here our fish gravy is ready. Almost it's ready. So now let's ready for marination. First we add that paste which is we ready. After that we'll add that melted butter. And then we add some spices. It's a red chili powder, it's a tandoori powder, it's a fish masala, coriander, and hot spices, and it's a Kashmiri mirch. Okay, so now we have to add this all together. Now we add some salt as per our taste. Now we have to mix it properly. So we'll add some homemade curd. It's optional. If you want to add, you can add, but it's give you more flavor. So you can add 6 to 7 tablespoons. Now our marination paste is ready. Now we have to marinate fish one by one. So now we'll marinate first our Himalayan silver trots. Make sure your marination paste properly, you cover the fish with the marination paste. So it's ready. So now our fish is ready to grill. So now we have to grill this fish in this microwave. So we'll set this fish inside of this. Okay. And now we'll close the door. After that, we'll set the grill option and we'll fix the time. We'll fix the time 4 minutes 30 seconds and start. So we have to give some cuts over here, so it will be good to marination, or like all spices and marination paste will go inside of the fish, so it's give beautiful or amazing flavor. So now we have to check our fish grilled or not. So we'll check. Yeah, it's semi cooked. So now we have to change the side upside down like this. So we'll put again for a few minutes. So here our fish curry is ready. Now we'll add chopped coriander. So smells so good. It's looking so delicious. And we'll add some hot spiced garam masala. Oh my god, it's so yum. So now our first dish is ready. It's Himalayan trout grill. We grill this in over microwave, so it looks so yum and fresh. You should try this recipe at home. Now we have to fry some fishes, so we'll add oil and we'll deep fry the fish. So our fish fry is ready. It's fish fry pakoda, and it's look yum. So it's our final product. It's a whole red belly piranha grilled. And for this kind of recipe, you can follow me and I'll see you in the next video.